Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on two-factor authentication on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on two-factor authentication on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface, where at the top right corner you can see there is the settings button available for us. Tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here, whereas again you can see the account security option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on account security, and when you land over here, guys, you can see the two-factor authentication option available for us, and there is a turn on button available for us and the right side of that option. Tap on turn on and select either you want to authenticate the app for the two-factor authentication or your phone number. I'll be going with the phone number, guys, for the two-factor authentication. And after choosing your method, tap on continue, and over here, guys, enter your phone number over here and a SMS code will be sent to you the moment you tap on the submit. And on the next step, enter that code which you will get by the SMS on this platform on the next step, and your two-factor authentication will be turned on. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on two-factor authentication on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.